Good morning, student. Welcome to Gyaniti online classes. Class 10, English, first place, first 11 number chapter. And the topic, the proposals, continuation of the page number 147, the last of the part. As you have seen that, this is the Russian wedding scenery, and here the characters are one of the person is Chuko, and a daughter side is Natalia. Yes, Natalia, and one of the neighbor is Lomo. Lomo had come to ask the hand of Natalia, Chibuko's daughter Natalia. By the time he met with this fellow and conversation went on, then after a daughter came, and when they came and we saw that they are talking about their inherited land, that is meadow, auction meadows. And then after they have quarreled with each other that belongs to Natalia to Lomo told it's mine, and Natalia not ready to accept that she told it it's mine. In this way the quarrel went on. Let's see then after what happens. We have to see page number 147 and last paragraph onwards. I shall teach you. Now you open your book and see that you understand well. No, Natalia said no. It is not at all like that. Both grandfather and grandmother reckoned that their land extended to bond mass, which means that auction meadows are ours. I don't see what there is to argue about. It's simply silly. No, it is not at all like that. It means what you say that auction meadows are yours, that is not yours, that is ours. Both grandfather and great grandfather, I mean Papa ke Dada ke Papa, record means established by calculation that their land extended to bond mass तक इनका लंबा था और साथों साथ, which means that auction meadows were ours. I don't see what there is to argue about. It's simply silly thing, it's common thing that this plot is ours. जमीन हमारा है, बिल्कुल नकली. लेकिन वो बात को हजम नहीं हुआ. Now you can see what Lomo thinks about this. I will show you the document Natalia Stepanovna. I have its record. What you say that it's you? Then Natalia said, no, you are simply joking or making fun of me. Yes, मेरे साथ मजाक कर रहे हो. What a surprise! We have had a land for nearly 300 years. 300 साल से जमीन कमाई करते आ रहे हैं. And you were speaking about you, and then you were suddenly told that it is not ours. Ivan Vasilievich, I can hardly believe my own ears. I can't believe what you say that means. These meadows aren't worth much to me. इतना तो ज़्यादा कीमती चीज़ नहीं है. Very not costly. They only come to 5 decedents. 5 means acres. Decedent means 2 acres. And are worth perhaps 300 rubles, no more. In Russian currency, 300 rubles. Canadian 300 rubles. Indian currency 300 रुपये में तो ज़्यादा महंगा भी नहीं है. But I can't stand unfairness. लेकिन जो अन्याय के साथ मुझे बातचीत करते हैं, unfairness means not good dealing. Say what you will. I can't stand unfairness. Means what you say that is the land is yours. I don't agree with this. Natalia गुस्सा हो गई. Lomo, hear me out. I implore you, the peasants of your father's grandfather, as I have already had the honor of explaining to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. तुम्हारे दादा की your peasants of the father's grandfather, पापा के दादा के जो लोग जो peasants farmers वहाँ पर ईट बनाते थे, वो तो लोग and as I have told you the honor of the experience to you, used to bake bricks for my aunt's grandmother. मेरे aunt की grandmother के लिए बनाते थे. Now my aunt's grandmother wishing to make them a present. Yes, wishing to make them a present. उनको खुश करना था, उनको काम दिए थे. Natalia, I can make head or tell of all this about aunts and grandfathers and grandmothers. The meadows are ours, that's all. Yes, I can make head and tail. Means मैं ऊपर नीचे में कुछ नहीं हो सकता हूँ. You are telling the aunts, grandfathers, the grandmothers. Simply I say that these awesome videos are ours. Who told? Natalia और Limov में झगड़ा हो रहा है. Then Limov told, that's mine. Natalia told, ours. You can go on proving it for 2 days or even you can go and put in 15 dress jackets. But I tell you, there are hours. I don't want anything of ours and I don't want to give anything of mine. So there, जो मेरा है मेरा है और जो हमारा है किसी भी हाल में मैं नहीं दे सकती हूँ. This is the very quarreling for the land. Yes, Natalia Stepanovna, I don't want the meadows, but I am acting on principle. इस जमीन के लिए मैं चाहने के लिए बोल रहा हूँ, लेकिन मेरा जो नियम है, if you like, I'll make you a present of them. Yes, तुमको पसंद है, मैं गिफ्ट में भी दे सकता हूँ, but actually that land is ours. आपको पसंद लगता है तो मैं दान भी कर सकता हूँ, लेकिन तुम बोलते हो कि जमीन तुम्हारा है, नियम का दृष्टि में I cannot digest. Yes, but I am acting on principle, मतलब नियम के हिसाब से वो हमारा है. Natalia, I can make you a present of them myself. मैं भी दे सकती हूँ, जमीन मेरा है. If you ask me, then I also give. मेरे पास भी वो औकात है, मैं दान में दे सकती हूँ. Because they are mine. वो जमीन हमारा है, तुम्हारा नहीं है. Your behavior, Ivan Vasilievich, is strange to say at least. Up to this, we have always thought of you as a good neighbor. अब तक हम सोच रहे थे कि अच्छा पड़ोसी हो, a friend. Last year we lent you our threshing machine. पिछले साल हम तुमको threshing machine उधारी में दिए थे. Although on that account we had to put up our own threshing. Till November, our own threshing. Threshing means that cutting or planting. Okay, cutting. हमारा काम नवंबर तक रोक दिए तुमको सेवा के लिए. हम तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा सोचे, तुम लोगों, but you behave to us as if we are gypsies. Gypsy means the person who doesn't stay in a place, who wanders here and there. You behave something different. You are not behaving well. What a person you are. Giving me my own land. मेरा जमीन और मुझे तुम दोगे? How it is possible? कि it's my land and you are giving me? Indeed, no, really, that's not at all neighborly. As suppose you are misbehaving. In my opinion, it's even impudent. Yes, impudent means no wisdom. If you want to know, then what is the Lomov's reply? Then you make out what I mean. लैंड ब्रेकर कि इसका मतलब तुम बोल रहे हो कि भड़क के बोला, तुम ये बोलना चाहते हो कि मैं तुम्हारा जमीन हड़पने वाला इंसान हूँ। आई एम लूटिंग योर लैंड। यस, जमीन को छीन के मैं ले रहा हूँ। मैडम, नेवर इन माई लाइफ हैव आई grabbed anybody else land and I shall not allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. Yes, लोगों थोड़ा बिगड़ के बोला कि मेरे जीवन में कभी भी मैं किसी का जमीन को छुआ नहीं हूँ। Never in my life have I grabbed, means stolen or taken by forcefully, okay? Anybody else land and I shall not allow anybody to accuse me of having done so. और कोई मुझे accuse नहीं है, I have not that I have done anybody's land. Yes, I not allow, मैं किसी को परमिशन नहीं दूँगा। Quickly steps of the caravan drinks more water. वो पूरा लोगों भड़क के जाके एक गिलास पानी पी लिया। देखा जमीन ज़्यादा कम रहते हैं, गुस्सा शांत करने के लिए पानी भी पीना पड़ता है, तो लोगों पूरा भड़क के पूरा जाके गिलास पानी भी पी लिया। Oxen, meadows are mine. ये हमारा है, ये मीडो हमारा है। Natalia, it's not true. They are ours. Lomoto mine. Natalia, it's not true. I'll prove it. I will send my mowers out of the meadows this very day. मैं मावर में सुखा होता grass. I send my workers, I will send my servants that they will come and cut the grass of this meadow. It is ours. Meadows this very day. What? What you are going to do? Then Natalia told, my mowers means to cut the grasses, okay? My mowers will be there this very day. आज ही मैं मेरे काम करने वाले नौकरों को मैं उस खेत में भेज दे रहा हूँ, जाके जितने घास से काट देंगे। Then what happened? No, I will give it to them in the neck. In the neck means here Lord threatens that he will hit his mowers. Neck में मारना होने से पिटाई करना है। तुम्हारे माओ लोग अगर मेरे खेत में आएंगे तो अच्छे से पिटाई करूँगा। I'll give it to them in the neck. Yes means I'll punish them, I'll hit them if they try to come. Natalia, you dare? You dare? तुम्हारा इतना हिम्मत हो गया कि मेरे जमीन में इतना तुम्हारा मतलब पावर दिखा रहे हो? Lamb of clutches, edge heart. Oh, when oxen meadows are mine, you understand mine. वो पूरा बिलक बोला कि वो मेरा है, पूरा अपना हाथ को पकड़े बोला, it's mine. Why are you telling so that is yours? It's mine. मेरा है. This is a hot temper fighting is going on between Natalia and Lomov. Then Natalia, please don't shout. इतना चिल्लाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can shout yourself house in your own house. अपने घर में जाके चिल्लाइए. ये मेरा घर में तुम आए हो. You are in my house and in my house you are not supposed to shout. But here I must ask you to restrain yourself. Restrain means control yourself. कि हमारे घर में आके इतना चिल्लाना is not good. If it was not, madam, for the soulful excruciating palpitation, it was not. Yes, it was not means वो नहीं होता. Madam, for this soulful means dangerous. Excruciating means intensely painful. This illness now. Lomov had one of the diseases that are not feeling well. उसका भी सेहत भी ठीक नहीं रहता था. If my whole inside was not upset, मेरे पूरा अंदर की पार्ट अगर खराब नहीं होता, then I would not shout. I would talk to you in a different way, as I am not feeling well. I have to shout and to speak. Yes, I would talk in different way if my body part is not good in this condition. Yes, oxen meadows are mine. Then Natalia told, ours. Lomo was told, mine, ours, mine. वो दोनों में आपस में क्या है खिंचातानी चल रहा है. Both are fighting for each other for this Oxford meadow. एक दूसरे में क्या हो रहा है जमीन के लिए. तो that Natalia लड़की और लोमो जो लड़का खिंचातानी चल रहा है. उसी बीच में enter Chubuko. Let's see. Chubuko, what's the matter? What are you shouting for? Natalia told, Papa, please tell this gentleman who owns Oxford meadows, we or he. उस लड़की उसके पापा को बोली, इस आदमी को बता दो, उस भद्र व्यक्ति को बता दो, ये जमीन उसका है या हमारा है. That land is his or ours. Let's see. Chubuko, Tulumo, darling, the meadows are ours. तो हमारा है. Then what's the reply of Lomo to his father? Lomo, but please, Stepanovich, how can they be yours? वो कैसे तुम्हारा हो सकता है? Do be a reasonable man. Yes, reasonable man means if there's some understanding. My aunt's grandmother, मेरे aunt की दादी माँ, gave the meadows for the temporary and privilege of your grandfather's peasants. Yes, grandfather peasants को काम के लिए दिए थे, नौकरों को, सर्वेंटों को, और the farmers, the peasants used the land for 40 years. और 40 साल उस land को इस्तेमाल किए. This Oxford meadows, my father's aunt's grandfather gave this land to your grandfather's father's peasant for 40 years and got accustomed to means habitual to it as if it was their own. Means they thought that the land was theirs, but actually we have for free use, temporary and free use, not permanent. we have कुछ करने के लिए दिए थे काम. इसका मतलब नहीं कि पूरी जमीन को दे दिए थे. When it happened that the Chubuko, excuse me, my precious, you forget just this, that the peasants didn't pay your grandmother and all that because the meadows were in dispute. उस नौकर लोग, peasant farmers, तुम्हारी दादी माँ को नहीं दिए, पैसा नहीं दिए. And at all, okay? Because the meadows were in dispute. उस जमीन जो dispute में था, yeah, it was in dispute. क्योंकि वो जमीन हमारा था, हमारा जमीन का जो इनकम तुमको क्यों देंगे? And so on. And now everybody knows that they are ours. किसी को भी जाकर पूछ लो, if you ask to anybody that the land is ours, it means that you haven't seen the plan. What was the plan of this land? You haven't seen it, don't know. What the plan? Yes, Lomo, I will prove to you that they are mine. लोमो फिर भड़क के बोला, मैं प्रूव करके दिखा दूंगा ये जमीन हमारा ही है. Yes, Chubuko, you won't prove it. You won't prove it, my darling. इसको साबित नहीं कर सकते. How can you prove? That's our. लोमो, I shall prove. मैं इसको प्रमाणित करके दिखा देता हूँ. Then Chubuko, dear one, why yell like that? You won't prove anything just by yelling. चिल्लाने से कुछ prove नहीं हो जाता है. Why are you shouting so? By your loud voice, you will prove. Never, never. I don't want anything of yours. तुम्हारा कुछ चीज हम क्यों लेंगे? And don't intend to give what I have. जो मेरा है मैं तुमको क्यों दूंगा? That is Oxford meadows ours. Then how can we give our land to you? Why should I? And you know, my beloved, that if you propose to go on arguing about it, अगर इसके मगर झगड़ा ही करते जाओगे, I would much sooner give up the meadows to the peasants than to you. If you go on fighting about this meadow, instead of giving this land to you, I'll give this auction meadows to the peasant, the farmers or the person instead of you. There. ऐसे झगड़ा करोगे, मैं जो दान है उस जमीन को तुमको देना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं नहीं दे के मैं किसी दूसरे को दे सकता हूँ. No more. I don't understand. How have you the right to give away somebody else's property? किसी दूसरे का जमीन को कैसे तुम दूसरे को दे दोगे? How is it possible that you will give my land to others? Is it possible? Then see, then Chukutul, you may take it that I know whether I have the right or not. Because young man, I am not used to being spoken to in the tone of voice and so on. मैं इसी आवाज में बात नहीं किया मुझे. As you are shouting, as you are a young boy, I am speaking very in the soft voice. Oh young man, I am twice of your age. तुम्हारे उम्र का मैं दुगुना हूँ. If you are 35, then I am 70. Yes, and ask you to speak to me without agitating yourself. And ask you to speak. Yeah, I will speak to me without agitating me, without feeling any nervous yourself, and so that all that I speak normally. While hearing, you also speak in the same tone. Yes, in this way. Then what about no? You just think I am a fool and want to have me on. No more people up there. No. You just think I am a fool and want to have me on. What do you think that I am a foolish person? That this land, my land is yours. You call my land yours? कि मेरा जमीन तुम्हारा बोलते हो? And then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. जब मेरा जमीन को तुम बोलते हो तुम्हारा है, और मुझे धीरे से बात करने के लिए बोलते हो. And you are telling me to speak politely and calmly. मेरा जमीन को तुम्हारा हक है. मेरा जमीन को हड़पना चाहते हो और मुझे बोलो धीरे से बोलने के लिए. Good neighbors, don't behave like that. Stepan Stepanovich. You are not a neighbor. You are a grabber. मेरा पड़ोसी नहीं हो, मेरा लूटने वाले हो. Not neighbor, but my grabber. तुम पड़ोसी के नाम से मेरा सामान को, मेरा जमीन को छीनना चाहते हो. चलो, what's that? What did you say? क्या बोले अभी? Natalia, Papa, send the mouse up to the meadow shepherds. जो घास काटने वाला भी तुरंत भेज जाके घास काटने का हमारी जमीन है, वो यहाँ पर आके अपना दादाई में दिखा रहा है. Showing very lots of quarrel to this. उसकी बेटी भड़क गई, उसके पापा को बोले जल्दी भेजिए, कभी माँ को भेज दीजिए वहाँ जमीन को काटने के लिए. चुप को, what did you say, sir? क्या बोले माँ से? Once again, Natalia, auction meadows are ours. And I shall not give them all. Shall not give them all. Shall not give them all. Oh, that land is ours. And I will not give. I will not leave. I will not leave. I will not leave. मेरा जमीन हमारा जमीन दे नहीं सकते हैं. वो हमारा है, हमारा है, हमारा. That land is ours, is our, and we will not give this land to you. Then see. No more. We'll see. I'll have the matter taken to court. ऐसी कोई बात है. इस बात में मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा? कोर्ट में फैसला होगा. If you say that the land is yours, then I'll go to court and I'll appeal this case to the court, and then I will show you. और मैं इस पर साबित करूँगा कि that land is ours, that land is not yours. To court. You can take it to court. And all that, yeah. You are thinking that you will take it to court? You can go to the court and ask. No problem. I know you. You are just on the lookout for the chance to go to court. Yeah, you are searching for the court to solve the matter. You are like to go to court. No problem, go. And all that. petty figure. Petty figure means an inferior legal practitioner. You are very common person. All your people were like that. बातों बातों में कोर्ट जाते हैं, बातों बातों में केस करते हैं. All your people are were like that. All of them, you can go to court, no problem. No, never mind about my people. मेरे लोगों के बारे में ऐसे मत सोचो. You think that our people are bad? हमारे खानदान को ऐसा सोचते हो? The Lomos have all been honorable people. हमारे खानदान बहुत बढ़िया है. We are reputed state. सम्मानीय लोग हैं. The Lomos have all been honorable people, and not one has ever been tried to embezzlement. Embezzlement means we are not that. Embezzlement is bad. हमारे खानदान में कोई ऐसे दूसरी का चीज को चोरी की act or taken anybody's property, like your grandfather. तुम्हारा जैसे ग्रैंडफादर ने हमारा जब को छीन लिया, और हमारे खानदान के कोई भी ऐसा रिकॉर्ड नहीं है कि they have done this type of war. You Lomos have had lunacy in your family. तुम बोले अपने आप honorable, तुम्हारे खानदान का हर कोई तो पागल है, lunacy, insane, crazy people. Yes, all of you, all the family members, they are crazy. Natalia, all are crazy. सब लोग पागल हैं. उनके खानदान के हर कोई. We are telling about you. Chuluko, your grandfather was a drunkard. तुम्हारा दादा तो शराबी थे. And your younger aunt, and ran away with an arbiter. Your younger aunt, Nastasia Mihalvonia, ran with an arbiter. Artist person, ran with a person who is gay. And so on, and you say that you family members are very good. एक तो शराबी है, एक तो आंटी है किसी के साथ बन गई, and still you are telling that you are very good people. No. And your mother was hornbacked. Hornbacked means पीछे से तो खूब हुई थी. Hornbacked means पीछे से. Yes. Your mother, Miss Lomo, told that Natalia's mother was like that, and Natalia told that your mother was also like that, which is the puberty, and you say that तुम्हारे घर के लोग अच्छे थे. Yes, clutches at his heart, something pulling in my side, my head, help, water. Now लोगों को इस तरह कितना टेंशन आ गया, मुझे पानी चाहिए, मुझे मदद चाहिए. बहुत झगड़ा में लोगों की बॉडी और सह नहीं पा रहा है. Chuluko, your father was a guzzling gambler. तुम्हारे पापा तो एक तो मतलब निगलने वाले तो जुआरी थे. Guzzling means devouring. Gambler इतना खा के जुआ खेल के सबको खा गए. And you say मैं लोगों सारे जुआरी थे, भाग गए किसी के साथ और शराबी थे. And you say that they are good people. Who told? Chuluko, Natalia. And there haven't been my backbiters to kill your aunt, and there haven't been my backbiter. Backbiter means those who speak speeches to kill your aunt. Yes, your aunt also backbiter. Yes. चुगलखोर, पीछे से बोला means चुगलखोर थे. Then this line dialogue is written Chuluko, but actual line is Lomo. Okay, Lomo. My left foot has gone to sleep. I am unable to tolerate in this place. You are an intriguing secret planner. Very intriguing, very wrong people. Yes. Oh, my heart. And it's an open secret that before the last elections you breathed, I can see stars. Punish my hat. Now, Lomo is surprised by this. उनके गाली सुन के लोगों का बेर और खाने दे रहा है कि मेरा कैप कहाँ गया, मेरे आंखों में तो तारे दिखना शुरू हो गए. Let's see. Natalia, it's low, it's dishonest, it's mean. इतना घटिया लोग. Your relatives are just like that. Mean means घटिया है. They are not decent. It's low, very low is not good standard. Chubuko. And you are just malicious. Malicious means not good person. Double face interior. दो मुंह दिखाने वाले, मतलब दो मना. Interior means very secret planner or any bad person. Yes, yes. Lomo, here is my hand. My heart. Which way? Where is the door? I cannot stand in this place. इतना लोगों सुनने के बाद, गाली सुनने के बाद, घर के सब किसको सुना दे? Your father, your uncle, your auntie once allowed भाग गई थी किसी से. Your father was a gambler and lost everything. Your relatives are all bad person and everyone was not good. दा लोगों ने सोचा कि मैं यहाँ से भागना ही अच्छा. इस सोच पर इस क्या? Here is my head, my heart. Which way? Where is the door? Oh, I think I am dying. My food is quite long. My food is unable to walk. Now is still. I am unable to go anywhere. No more try to go away from this. Goes to do. Chubuko पीछे का following him. And don't set foot in my house again. और मेरे घर में आइंदा कदम भी नहीं रखना. Don't come to my house. Don't come to my house. Natalia, take it to court. We'll see. Okay? कोर्ट में बोलता है, कोर्ट में लेके जाए, हम देखेंगे कि कैसा की जमीन किसका है. That will prove there. Lomo staggers out means भाग दे. झगड़ा लगने के बाद लोमो डर के पूरा भग जाता है. चुगो take him, शैतान, उसको यहाँ से भगा दीजिए. बोलता है कि जमीन उसका है. Tells that his property and his service. All his relatives, Lomos are very bad, telling, oh, we are honorable. Natalia, what a rascal. The rascal is a very clear person. What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? Who can believe this type of man? What a rascal. What a bad person he is. You got the villain, the scarecrow. They started shouting. वो शैतान, villain means negative character. Scarecrow means डरपोक. हमारे बात सुन के सह नहीं पाया और भाग गया. Natalia, the monster, वो राक्षस. Monster means the giant, half human and half animal. First he takes our land, पहले तो हमारी जमीन लेना चाहता है. Then he has the impudence to abuse us. Then all the abusers blame us. Then misusers say that we are like that. Chubuko and that blind man, Wandha Murgi, yes, say yes. That turnip ghost had the confounded cheek to make a proposal. Yes. That turnip ghost, turnip वाला जो आत्मा है और confounded cheek है, let's see, to make a proposal. और यहाँ हमारे घर में शादी के लिए आया है. And so on. And what a proposal. और ऐसा लगे इस्लाम proposal के साथ आया. Natalia समझ नहीं पाई. What proposal? What do you see? Proposal? Chubuko, why? He came here to propose to you. वो आया था तुम्हारे साथ का हाथ मांगने के लिए. Yes. Natalia, to propose to me. Why did you tell me so before? पहले मुझे क्यों नहीं बताया? इतना सारा झगड़ा लगा. You have told people have. Chubuko, so he dresses up in evening clothes, very fine clothes, to ask his hand. शादी के लिए आया था. The stop says the vision very strong from having a slim, thin, withered face, very ugly person, and has come to ask your hand. Very fine he get out from my house. So student, as I discussed this part of the story, and rest of the part, next page, page number 152 onwards, I will discuss in next period. So this is the second part, and the third part I'll continue. This is a lengthy chapter. It is very long drama, so we need another online classes to record you. So whatever I have discussed today, you repeat study, seeing the book, and I'll try to understand. And I hope you that whatever I have explained, you will have understood. Have a good day and goodbye.